Ken again from MC Tool and Safety. We've got the Bosch PROFACTOR SDS Max rotary hammer here today with us, and I mentioned before that it is capable of doing drilling and demolition. So the tools are interchangeable. The SDS Max system has been in vogue now for many years. You can put a chisel in it. You've also got bolt points for breaking up concrete. And then the collar here is adjustable as well, so that you can rotate the bit depending on what your work requires. So now it's locked in that position. So we can use it. We don't want it to be spinning while we're doing demolition, so we switch it over to hammer only. So we'll apply a little bit of pressure and you'll see the concrete and chips start to fly. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again in our next presentation.